Hey guys, it's Adri. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am super duper excited to share with you this low bun double fishtail hairstyle. It is perfect for Easter if you are trying to figure out how to do your hair for Easter. Be sure to subscribe right here below so that you don't miss any of my future hair tutorials. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so to start we are going to section off some hair in the front by starting at your part and going down behind your ear. And then go ahead and tie up the rest of your hair to keep it out of the way. And then we are going to start with the Dutch fishtail braid. Starting with a small section of hair, you are going to split it into 2 equal sections. And then taking a small piece from that front section, you are going to cross it under the front section and add it to the back section of hair. And then take a small piece from the back section, cross it underneath the back section, and then add it to the front section of hair. And then you are going to take a small piece of hair from the front section, cross it under and add it to the back, and then add in some hair from your head. Take a small piece of hair from the back section, cross it underneath and add it to the front section. Then take some hair from your head and add it to the front section as well. And once again, you're going to take a small piece of hair from the front section, cross it underneath and add it to the back section. Then take some hair from your head and add it to that back section as well. And then take a small piece of hair from the back section, cross it underneath and add it to the front section. Then take some hair from your head and add it to that front section as well. And you're gonna do this until you get about 4 or 5 stitches down, and then go ahead and stop adding in sections of hair. So when you're done adding sections of hair, and you're just going to start a simple fishtail braid by taking a small piece of hair from the front section, cross it under the front and add it to the back section. Then you're going to do the same with the back by taking a small piece of hair from the back section, cross it underneath the back section and add it to the front section. And go ahead and do this for a couple more stitches, and then we are going to pancake the braid. I find that pancaking it while the braid is halfway done is way easier than finishing the braid. So go ahead and grab both sections in one hand and just gently pull on the sides of the braid. I'm covering up the part I have by my fringe because I don't want that to be seen. And make sure when you put your hair into the one hand, you don't lose where you're at in your braid, because you're going to continue braiding all the way down. So once you're done pancaking your braid, you're going to finish the fishtail braid all the way down. So I'm going to go ahead and speed that up. Then once you get to the end of your braid, just go ahead and put in one hand again and pancake the rest of it so it matches the first part of the braid. And then when you're done with that, take a bobby pin and cross it over the end of the braid just for a temporary tie-off. Section out a new section of hair about 1 inch behind the first braid, and then tie off the rest of your hair so keep it out of the way. And then I went ahead and grabbed a gator clip so I could clip off the first braid just to keep that out of the way as well. And then you are just going to go ahead and start doing another Dutch fishtail braid by starting off with a small section of hair near your part, and then crossing the front section to the back, add in a section of hair, back section to the front, add in a section of hair. So I'm just going to fast forward through this whole process since this is the exact same braid we did just before. So if you need a refresher, just go ahead and rewind. Don't forget to pancake your braid halfway through. I promise it makes your life a lot easier than pancaking the entire thing. And then once you're done, go ahead and slide a bobby pin over that braid as well. Then pull your hair back into a low ponytail, not including your braids. And then when you have that low ponytail, you're going to add in the braid closest to the back, and then add in the braid closest to your face. And this is just going to make sure the braids don't sit on top of each other. Then you can do your low bun however you like to do it. I like to make a little small loop and weave my finger in and out of the top of that loop and then pull it to my head and bobby pin it there. The best bobby pins I have found are from Sally's. If you are having problems with your bobby pins holding, go get these. Link is in the description below. And then I like to grab small sections of the loop and pin those to my head as well, just to add more dimension to my bun. And then I'm gonna leave the tails down. No, just kidding. I'm going to grab the tail and twist them upward and tuck them into my hair tie. And since my tails are a little shorter, I just cut 2 inches off my hair. I'm going to add a bobby pin in the loop to hold it. And then go ahead and fluff out the bottom of your bun. And I like to pin the sides as well, just to cover the hair tie even more and make it kind of look more cohesive to the top of the bun. Then once you're all done bobby pinning, go ahead and pull out the fringe at the front of your face that you want pulled down. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Okay, well I hope you liked this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Be sure to subscribe below so you don't miss any of my future videos by clicking that big red button. And I will see you guys next time. Happy Easter. Bye.